Did you just get a text that says that your book will be printed in 48 hours and you're wondering what to do? I got you. Watch this short video and you'll be ready, good as gold. Go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you how to edit your response log so that it looks just the way you want it. So click on edit right there. Read right here and it will tell you how many responses you have in your book. You can have 200 responses, but if you have any number under 200, let's fill it up. You don't have to, but why not? See this button here that says upload photos? Click on that and you can, as the Jamboss, you can go in and add. Now you don't have to do these one at a time anymore. You can add all you want. Just go crazy. Add away. They will add to the end of your book. Let me show you. Depending on how fast your phone processes, might take a minute. Okay, all those photos are now added. So again, when you get that text, you can go and see how many responses you have. Now instead of 18, I have 28. Another thing you can do is you can go to manage and go to your weekly prompt. You can actually send a prompt right now, like you can edit it and say, guys, we only have so much time. So go to today's date, it's the 13th, and anyway, send it for a time that's today, and you could say, guys, we have today only to send in more pictures. So whatever you want to say. You can even give specific numbers, like everyone send 5 pictures today. Save, and that will go out today at 8 p.m. Now back to your response log, and I like to click on the grid view, which is the 4 squares right there. So okay, I've just clicked on that and it will show me kind of a page layout. You see these yellow divide lines that will show you what's on the same page. So we have and then 7, 8, 9, and 10 will be in the next layout. So that can help you
number
know
1 and 2
if
are going to
your
be on the same
captions are
page
going to
on
line
the
up the way you
right
want them.
hand
So right
side,
now
and then you're going
we
to
don't
turn
have
that
many
page over.
captions. Okay, this
Responses
one
3
is
and
correct because you
4
can see that
will be on the
25
same
and
page,
26 are
and then
next to
a
each other. So I'm
crease,
happy
and
about
then
that.
responses 5
I'm
and
happy
6.
about that. I'm looking for duplicates, or I'm looking for a caption that I just want to move. So far we're so good. Okay, number 46 and 47 are not going to be on the same page because, as I pointed out earlier, the page flip happens on this middle portion. So I'm going to go to number 45 and I'm going to click on this other view. And then I'm going to go to this picture and I'm going to add a caption. And now if I go to the grid view, and I go down to that number, you see that they are going to be 45 now has 46 with a new caption, 47 and 48 are together, 49 and 50 are together. So that's one easy way to do it. I'll show you another here in a minute. So 53 and 54 are fine, but 54 and 55 will be on a page turn. So I'm going to show you a different way to do this. So 56 to 57 will be on a page layout just with the crease between, so I'm okay with those guys. I'm not okay with 58 to 59, so
So basically, you're just going to drag and drop
go to
like a picture that doesn't really matter what order it's in.
this
Just
one
put it in a new spot.
and click on
Easy
the
as
other
peasy.
view or the single view and add a caption. What's going on there? Oh, the most gorgeous view, Honolulu. Okay, so go back to the grid view. And now let's see how we are in our 50s. Okay, so 55 now has Honolulu as my bay. 57 winners. 58. Okay, so things are good. These ones, don't ask me why they're in here, but it gives me a chance to show you how simple it is to go delete a picture. Just delete. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so hopefully that helps you see what you need to do. If you also want to go check out your cover, click on the cover. Blue, yep, I'm chill with that. And then if you want to pick a different picture, you just have to grab it down here, and that's all you have to do. Okay, I wanted to show you one more thing. If you go back to this main, you can either edit or manage, and I just want to show you on this page without even clicking on edit or manage, you can click on the name of your book and you can change it. Let's just say you spelled it wrong at one point. You can just retype it. Click below it and you can change the dates that print on this side. Now, these will not change the dates you receive reminders to add to your book, but if by chance you would just want to manipulate it and have it look like it goes to different dates than were sent, you can do that no problem. So I'm going to go down, sorry, I'm going to save, and then the date now says April. So guys, this took us no time, and now a 100-page, 200 responses, beautiful book is going to arrive at our door. So enjoy. Thanks for jamming. See you next time.